Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I have for you this glamorous pink smoky eyes with this giant eyeliner. I love this effect, especially with the fake lashes. It looks so beautiful and very glamorous. I just add a little bit of glitter to increase the glam in this makeup look, and I really hope that you like it as well. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, stay tuned and let's get started. To begin, I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeshadow base, and this is by Pillowies in the shade number 2. I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid using a concealer brush, and I'm gonna use just a small amount of products to stick the shadows on top, and it will make them more vibrant as well. So I make sure to blend this eyeshadow base very well in the eyelid, and if you don't have this eyeshadow base, you can use any concealer or eyeshadow base of your preference. I just need a base to apply the shadows on top and to make it last. And to create this makeup look today, I'm gonna use a very beautiful palette by Deck of Scarlet, and this is the Dream palette. I really love the colors of this palette, and also the formula of the eyeshadows are amazing. So to start, I'm gonna use this warm brown eyeshadow in a blending brush. I'm gonna place it in the other corner of my eyes in my crease, and also I'm gonna blend it out to the inner corner, always in circular motions and adding the product a little at a time. With the brown today, I want to create a soft effect just to create more depth in this makeup look. So I'm gonna be adding a little at a time. Because right on top, I'm gonna use a pink eyeshadow, so I just need a little bit of something to create more depth in this makeup look. It's like I'm creating a base for my eyes to create the eyeliner later on. So my eyes will appear bigger and more awake. So next I'm gonna use the blush from this palette, and this is a soft pink eyeshadow. I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow because this is a blush, but I really like this color. And I'm gonna apply in my crease with a very fluffy blending brush. By the way, the contact lenses that I'm using are from Desio Eyes. I really love this brand from many years already. And I'm doing a giveaway in my Instagram. I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. Me and Desio Eyes are doing this giveaway with amazing contact lenses that I'm sure you're gonna love it. So make sure to enter in the giveaway. The link will be in the description box. All you have to do is follow me and Desio Eyes in Instagram, and also tag 3 friends in the comments. This is an international giveaway. We are going to choose 2 persons to win in the comments of the official picture, which will be linked down below for you guys. So we are waiting for you, and good luck. And now let's go back to the makeup tutorial. So next I'm gonna apply the shimmery pink eyeshadow all over the eyelid using a concealer brush. This is an amazing rose gold pink eyeshadow with some gold reflects on it, as you can see here, and I really love the formula. It's very buttery and very pigmented, so that's why I have to apply it with a concealer brush because I have a better payoff, or even you can apply using the tip of your fingers. And for this makeup look, this is so beautiful like this. So if you don't want to apply the eyeliner, you don't need to, you just apply your fake lashes and it's all done as well. So it's depending on how you feel. Today I wanted to use everything at the same time, so I'm gonna use also the eyeliner next. And now I'm gonna apply the highlighting shade from the palette in the tear duct area to complement this look. And this is a very beautiful champagne shade, so I'm gonna place it with the same brush just in the inner corner of my eyes. And now for the fun part, I'm gonna apply glitter all over the eyelid. But today I want to use just a few glitters effect. I don't want to apply too much, and to create this effect in my makeup look, I mixed 2 different glitters. So I used here a light pink glitter by MAC and also a light gold glitter to create this effect. And I don't want to use anything to stick the glitters in the eyelid. I'm gonna apply just by itself, as you can see here. So you have this amazing effect in the eyelid, as the glitter are from the eyeshadow, if you get what I mean. And next I'm gonna line my eyes. Today I'm gonna use a very big cat eye effect in my makeup look, so I'm gonna use a gel liner to have more control of what I'm doing here. And also I'm gonna apply this gel liner using a little angled brush. This is E06 by Sigma, and the gel liner is also by Sigma. I'm gonna use the gel liner Wicked. I really like it because it's waterproof and very pigmented. So I'm gonna draw the eyeliner a little at a time. This is my favorite brush to line my eyes, by the way, and this is in my favorite brush set with Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. And when I finish to apply the eyeliner, I just have to apply my fake lashes and lots of mascara, or just apply mascara if you don't like to apply fake lashes. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work. I will be so happy to have you there as well. And I see you next time. Mwah. Bye!